Show you how to make the data table and the chart for your graph, for your Bird Beak Lab. You're going to start a new spreadsheet in Google Sheets. I'm going to name this My Name Beak Lab. Okay, what is going to be a little different about this is that we're going to kind of flip-flop our data table from what it looks like in your graph. So what that means is we're going to start up here in the corner, and we're just going to start and say, all right, this is Paperclip Island. I'm just going to label it here, Paperclip Island. My generation is going to go right here, and then my type of beak is going to go here. So here's magnet, test tube holder, toothpick, and spoon. And my generation numbers are going to go here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to quickly enter my data. 1, 2, 4, 8. 1, 1, 0, 0. Toothpick was 1, 0, 0, 0. And spoon 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay. And I'm going to make this one a little wider, and that's how you click on that. Okay, and then I'm going to put borders around here. That's going to be by clicking here. There. I'm going to put borders around it if I click here.